Here's kind of a cool car, Olds Cutlass 63 Olds Cutlass F85. Got a little V8 in it, automatic. Older paint on it. There you can see some cracking in the paint there. Bumpers got some dings in it, little chip here. Does need some hood springs also. Interior's been redone at one time. That's the stick to hold the hood up. See the dome light working. Automatic. Dash pretty good. Got a little crack over, or a little something over on the other side, but a little blister right here and on the other side. Not bad. I mean, you can still just drive this car the way it is. Got a couple, 3 blisters. Bumper showing some age with some pitting. There's a chip. And right there. But pretty cool car. Pretty clean for the most part. So if you want an affordable Cutlass, pre-A-body type stuff, this is pretty cool car, and not a lot of them around, so it'd be kind of unique. You'll be one of the few on the block that has one. So any questions, give me a call, 605-695-7391.